I got another package from Deal Extreme today. It's the PC motherboard repair troubleshoot boot failure diagnostic PCI card for $2.51. Free shipping, of course. It's Deal Extreme. SKU is 21997, and I pre-opened everything like I normally do. So let's see what we got here. I don't need that anymore. It comes in like an envelope with a booklet. They fill that envelope very tightly with the paper. So let's open it up and see. Yeah, they folded the booklet in half, and it feels like it's hard and hard to get out. Yeah, it is being a pain in the butt. Come on, get out. I don't want to tear the bag. It does come in English, so you don't have to worry about that. And it looks like there's 20, almost 30 pages of codes in there, like 10 or 12 of them in there, so there's a lot of codes for it. This thing looks like a toy, more than because of the green that they use. But yeah, you just stick this into your motherboard. Yeah, just stick this in your motherboard and it reads your numbers and everything. So this will be a nice thing to have when you need one. I like it. I'm going to test it and write a review about it and see if it works. And that's my unboxing. Thank you.